Today we will show you how to tune your Fusion amplifier. For today's video, we will be using a Fusion Apollo MSRA770 Marine Stereo and a Fusion Signature Series DA51600 amplifier, but the process is similar for all Apollo stereos and compatible amplifiers without DSP tuning. You will need to know the model names of your connected Fusion speakers and amplifier before beginning tuning. We will need to be connected to the stereo through a Wi-Fi network or Bluetooth connection. Follow the links in the description to learn more about connecting your stereo. First, open the Fusion Audio app. Then select Settings. Select Zone 1. Then select DSP Settings. Select your amplifier type. Use Subwoofer Amplifier for zones with subwoofers connected. Select External Amplifier if we are tuning for speakers on the selected zone. Now select Speaker Type. Select the model name of the speakers installed. Then select the environment that best fits the area your speakers are in. Select External Amplifier and select your amplifier model from the list. You will see a short animation showing you where to turn each adjustment on your amplifier based on the equipment installed. Make the adjustments to your amplifier. You will repeat this process for each zone to ensure your amplifier is properly tuned. Fusion Apollo amplifiers that don't have physical tuning sends DSP settings to your stereo and will tune the amplifier automatically. For more help with Fusion DSP settings, please see the link in the description below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.